What's up, guys? We're back here. So we just had a quick break here, and now we're ready to add some fuel. Thing does crank now, so we're gonna crank it, see if we can start it after putting some good fuel in there. 20 liters of 91 premium. I'm gonna add that to the thing here. So gas cap's a little dirty, but whatever. It's also got kind of a capless system thing in there. Anyways. Alright, anyways, we're ready here to pour the fuel in, I think. Let me just make sure this will go. There it is. Yeah, this is the premium 91, so it should run good after having some of this in through it, so pretty hyped about that. Alrighty, she's pretty much empty. Okay, clean this up. Alright, system's filled up now. Before we try and start it, I'm just going to check the draw on the battery again, the parasitic draw. See what it's at right now, because it's been sitting for a while, so if it's at a bad level, like, let me just close this trunk, close this door all the way. It's probably going to be, hopefully it's going to be down, but not really sure. So let's go check that out. Let's see what kind of amperage we're getting right now. So here we go. 0.03. 0.003 actually, sorry. So yeah, that's pretty good. Let me just open the door. See what we're at now. Oh, right, the key's not in. Let me put the key in. Alright, so the key is on now. Now let's see what kind of amperage we're getting with the doors closed. Five amps with the key on. Alright, let's key off it. Let's open the door. Yeah, it's still about 5 amps. So fairly high, but nothing major. I mean, obviously the key's on, so. Alright, now this is key off, but key in the ignition. So key off, but key in. .007 amps. So pretty happy with that. So that's a pretty low battery drain, so that should be pretty good. Now, I'm just gonna rehook this up. Let me turn this off for now. It's time to see if she'll juice, if she'll go. So we're gonna do that now. So battery booster's on. Here we go. the moment of opportunity. What it all comes down to. Alrighty, I'm here inside the vehicle. Let's go. Make sure those fuel pumps are going. One sec. No, they're not going. Fuel pumps aren't going for some reason. Let me check the trunk. Fuel pumps are not running right now. They should be, which is weird. Alright, maybe there's something else here. Something else to this then. Alright. Let's unhook this for now. Because we're not going to start so well if we got no fuel. So let me look in here. Now, let's... right. It's probably these grounds that I disconnected earlier in my most previous video. So let's get this hooked back up. Anyways, so just for a quick explanation, there are some wires that were hanging down, specifically these wires here, and they need to ground, so I'm just hanging an ECU back up, and then once it's hung back up, I'll have to put the glove box back in and mount those back to its mounts, and then we'll try it again and see if it works now. So let me go do that. So hopefully if we do this, the fuel pump should work again. So that's our next goal, I guess. Make the fuel pumps work again. There we go. ECM's back in. Perfecto. 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 But anyways, let's not deal with this anymore. Let's slide this back up. I'm becoming insane.
Warmer outside.
Yeah, it's warm out now.
Greatest nap I've ever had in my life.
Bro's straight up energized now. Yeah, I might as well just get started. So I fueled it up, and now I'm trying to make it work again. You can take over if you want on the camera.
Yeah?
Yeah. Bro's out here for you. Where is that? Oh, I dropped it. You have awakened from lay nap. Alright, this, and this need to go together.